Hey everyone, so this is going to be a generic set of directions to use for all of these Google Slides we're going to be doing this week for independent practice. The reason I'm doing a Google Slide is that they are editable and you can put lots of information on these. So these are what I'm going to be checking. So I'm going to want to go through and show you how to deal with these. So first of all, most of you will have the Google Slide that opens at the bottom of the page. You can actually click and work on the small version here, or you can click this link and it will open up the page for you. If for some reason you cannot open that page, it does not load for you at the bottom here, you will need to click this link. When this link opens, it is going to take you to a copy of the Google document, the Google Slide that we are using. But you will not be able to edit it because it is not your slide. It is mine. And in order to not have everyone editing the same slide, I have to set it to view only. So what you will need to do is, from this copy of the slide, once it finally loads, you will need to go to File, and you will need to go to Make a Copy. You will make a copy of the slide for yourself, save it in your Google Drive, and then you will need to share with me when you are done. In order to do that, if you're doing it this way, you can hit the share button and it will give you the option to enter an email address, and just enter that email, jlambert@acsc.net. So that's how you will do it if you are doing it that way. If you are not, you can click through here, and when you're done editing, you will see a submit button in blue that's right here. Just click on that and it will automatically submit your Google Slides, even if you open it from this link, to get a larger window. Now I want to go through how you're going to edit these slides real quick, because most of us have done some slide editing already this year, but just in case we're feeling a little rusty. Okay, so first thing first, when we want to add some text to a slide, like say our name, all we need to do is click this button right here, and that will open a text box. So I can click that text box, click it, open it right here, and it will pop in a text box for you to be able to type in like your name. I'm going to go down a little bit. So you will use the text box to enter the equation that represents the function here. So that would be a place where you use a text box. Again, you'll just add a text box and then go. But for this, if you're going to graph an equation, well, there are a couple things you need to do here. First of all, you might need to make a function table in order to find the ordered pairs that go along with this graph. What you can do, you can either draw that out, or you can actually add, insert a, you could always do a good old text box, you could do a shape, but I'm going to do a chart. Let's say I'm going to insert, actually what I want to insert is a table here. There we go. Insert a table. And I would do a, let's just say I'm just going to do my X's and Y's. So I can insert a table here, and I'm going to make it a little smaller. I can fix that. Okay. And let's say I'm going to put my X values on one side, my Y values on the other. And now I can use my rule to fill out some ordered pairs. So like for the first one here, if my first X was 1, 1 times 4 is 4, so my Y would be 4. So now I have the point 1, 1, 4, the ordered pair 1, 4, and then I can take that and I can add that to my coordinate plane over here by just adding a circle. So I'm going to go to Shapes, I'm going to go to Circle, and I'm going to add 1 at 1, 4, right where those meet. Now I've added a point. There we go. If I want to, when I'm done, I can even make a straight line that might go through all of my ordered pairs. There you go. Now you can even show the graph that way. So there are a couple of different ways that you can show what I'm asking you for as far as with your function. There's how to make a function table. There's how to put plot points or draw a line on your coordinate plane. And of course, you guys know how to use the text box. And that should be pretty much everything you need to fill out these assignments for the week. If you have any questions, please just hit me up during office hours and I'll help you out. All right, guys, good luck and thanks.